Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and this is a midweek haul. First thing I want to touch on is the uh, glitch or whatever you want to call it over at the Dollar General. They can pull this at any time, and I'm suspecting today, which is Thursday the 17th, it's going to get pulled sometime. We just do not know when. Asking a huge favor in the comments if you're going to try this deal on Thursday morning and it doesn't work for you, please let us know. But it's essentially at self-checkout machines, not at a register with a cashier. They're ringing up for a cent. So you're specifically looking for this guy, which is the 24 count made with solar power. They're 50 cents this week. And when you ring them up at a self-checkout machine, they're actually ringing up for a cent. You have to wait till you hit the final pay button. When you just ring them up, they're still going to be like $1.50. But when you hit the pay button, it's a penny. Here's the UPC if you wish to look in your area if they might have it. But that self-checkout machine is absolutely critical. Again, self-checkout machine only. Please don't ask in the comments if you can do it another way. It has to be self-checkout. And you can't order this as a curbside either. Look for them in the back to school display in the arts and crafts section. No coupons needed. You don't even need to punch in your phone number, nothing. You have to buy them in sets of 2. That is the one thing. But yesterday I found 30 and rang up, the 15 sets, one transaction, and it worked perfectly. Please share and write in the comments, is this working, yay or nay? Get out and score right away. Excellent donation item. Excellent for stockings, Easter. I'm keeping a bunch of them, so I'm pretty excited by this deal. Now we are at Walgreens. Okay, guys, so first thing off the bat for all shoppers, we have a free 8x10 photo. Use this code FIRSTDAYPIC. This is taking place right up until Saturday the 19th. One photo per store card, and you order this to your store and then you go pick it up. A very easy process, and use this coupon code for a free 8x10 photo. So yesterday I was up to no good over at Walgreens, and I found some more clearance, including this vaporizer. If you ever suffer from a really bad cold or dry skin in the wintertime, if you live in a colder climate, this is worth its weight in gold. And for $1.99, they're practically giving that away at 90% off. So delighted with that. Another item that I found at 90% off was this 3-pack of the vanilla chapstick for 50 cents. So exactly 90% off. I would keep an eye out for that one. Now, I did another deal for vitamins where I actually bought $30 worth with that dumb booster, and then I had a 10 back when you spend 10, so I threw that into the mix as well. Kind of a unicorn one, but I made it happen. So the only product I was really interested in picking up was this Nariva for $32.99. They have a smaller one and then this 50 count, which has a lot more, so I'm like, I think I'm going to pick up that one. So it's almost $50, believe it or not, for this product when it first came out. So $32.99 is a really great price. If you might have been so lucky, there is this digital coupon. Both of my store cards had it. It's a manufacturer, which is $16 off. And they're basically teasing the customer, buy it. Here's a high value coupon. So $32.99, subtracting that digital coupon, I had my booster loaded, which is 15 back when you spend 30. I got the cashier to scan my paper booster. With my debit card, I paid $16.99, and then I got back $25 in Walgreens cash. 15 for buying the vitamins, and an extra 10 for buying $10, that paper booster one, which is a unicorn. So remember not to use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. A new product a lot of us are very curious about. I picked it up for a family member, and I thought, it's an excellent supplement to try out, especially for seniors, who might be a little bit forgetful, or even people my age, but curious about this product. Okay, the next store we're hopping over to is Meijer, which is a grocery store here in the Midwest. We're looking for this 8 count of the Bic pens. Please pay attention because the digital coupon is quite goofy. It's only attaching to the 8 count, even though there's 10 count pens, which is weird. They're on sale this week for $1.29. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying 29 cents for an 8-pack of pens, so that's a really good deal. This is probably my favorite deal of the week. These 35 counts of the Oxy are $2.99. Original price point $5.99. We have this, which is a $1 digital coupon. So it's really fantastic. Load it. And if you head over to your IBOTTA, there's $2 back as well for the Arm & Hammer detergent. Make sure you're scanning barcodes because it was kind of picky with the cents. $2.99, subtracting that dollar digital, you're going to pay $1.99 out of pocket. Get that $2 submission to IBOTTA, making it free. Now, if you are a user of Shopmium, there's another dollar digital that you can apply for. So in theory, you can actually get 2 of these for free using IBOTTA and Shopmium. So make it happen. Now we're over at Rite Aid. I have a love-hate relationship with this store. Sorry, guys, I don't have a big basket photo. I was in such a rush yesterday. First thing I did was I grabbed 4 of the Irish Spring. It's either the Irish Spring or soft soap, priced at $5.99 this week. Buy 2, get $6 back, and the limit for this is up to 2 per store card. So I grabbed 4 Irish Springs. And then I grabbed 4 of the Colgate dental care products. I got 2 of the toothbrushes and then 2 of the sensitive toothpaste priced at $4.99. I didn't have any digital coupons for Colgate, but Shopmium had $1 back for each, which was really fantastic. Shopmium basically took over coupons.com if you were using the coupons.com app, and Shopmium is pretty cool. I've been using it for about a week and a half and no complaints. And because I got 4 Irish Springs, I also qualified for $2.50 back with the Irish Spring with the Shopmium app. And I also had one $2.50 off of 2 for the Irish Spring body wash, and that came off perfectly. Hang on to your wallet for a second. The Fetch Rewards app is giving back 1,800 points when you buy $15 of Colgate, and yes, I qualified for that with this purchase, so that was really fantastic. So like another $1.80 for the old wallet. So I'm not complaining. So just looking at the overall basket for this one over at Rite Aid, 4 of the Irish Spring for $23.96. Alternatively, if you want to get the ladies soft soap, you can do that as well. And then 4 of the Colgate, I got a mix of the brushes and the paste so I can get the maximum out of Shopmium. That is $19.96 at $4.99 a pop for a grand total of $43.96. I had a home mailer, which was a 10 off of 40 that just comes to your house with some coupons. I had the one $2.50 digital for the Irish Spring. So I paid $31.42. I just rolled a bunch of bonus cash on my card. Got $22 back for both Colgate and Irish Spring. And then I got $6.50 back from Shopmium, and they actually gave that to me really quick. It was like 6 hours, and it was in my PayPal, which was so cool. And then I got 1,800 points back from the Fetch Rewards app as well for buying $15 of the Colgate. So the final price point here is $1.12 or 14 cents per item, which is a really great price point. I would do this deal if you can line it up perfectly. As always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.